Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium Barbecue and Review. Today, I'm mixing two of my favorite sandwiches, a smash burger. Well, actually, in this case, it's gonna be more like a lattice burger. Y'all don't see too many lattice burgers out there. That's a smash burger, even a little bit more smashed, all right? And it kind of separates. And I'm also going to combine my Philly cheesesteak that I love so much. I designed a Philly cheesesteak smash burger. That's it right there. Stay tuned and see how I made this bad boy right here. I'll see you at the end for the taste test. Okay, so this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 1 pound of some ground chuck. This is some 80-20 right here. You're gonna need some big Kaiser rolls. I got 1 pound of some deli sliced London broil right here. This works perfect for Phillies. A green pepper, some mushrooms, an onion, and then to season everything, some It's Incredible right there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to slice up the onion and pepper, and then I'll go ahead and get the grill on and get this thing started. Oh yeah, I'm going to separate these right here into 4-ounce patties. So just going to lay these out. Got my scale right here. It's going to be 4-ounce balls. That's all I need, just because it's 1 pound, so it'd be about 4 balls. Okay, I forgot to show you I'm using mozzarella cheese as well. I have everything, got 4-ounce balls of meat here. I cut the green peppers down like half pieces, and then the onions are kind of chunky, cut those down. I have the mushrooms ready to go. I have everything ready to go. I have the skillet heating up now. Alright, so this isn't going to be, it's going to be a smash burger, but it's going to be more like a lattice burger. I'm going to smash it down so hard it's going to be like paper thin, and you're going to be able to see through it. Might be a little bit hard to try to flip over, but that's where the cheese is going to come into place. And once you flip it over, put those pieces back together, put the cheese on top. Hopefully they stay together. If they don't, it's still okay. Cheese is your glue for meat, all right? Cheese is meat glue. I'm going to put that on a shirt one day. It'll be one of my sayings. Cheese is meat glue. So I got the skillet going now. Just going to throw them on here. Okay, so this is how I have the skillet set up. This side over here, this is hot, this is medium low, and over here is completely off. So as everything starts getting done, I'm gonna move everything over here, then reorganize it and plate everything together. So that's kind of how everything's going right now. It's still coming up to heat, it's not hot enough yet. So this is where basically this section here where a tie, that's where the smash burgers are gonna go. Over here is where the vegetables are gonna go. This would be like my assembly station right here. Feasibly, that's what I'm gonna do. Just doing some butter spray down, just something simple. Everything's simple today. Everything's simple. Take one. So putting that It's Incredible on top, when you smash it down, it's going to smash that It's Incredible into the burger. Alright, time to smash these right here real good. Some people, I don't know if some people do, but I like to smash them just with my bare hand. See that? You can almost see through it. See that? I'll show you up here closer. Alright, now comes time to mix everything together. I'm going to mix the onions, peppers, mushrooms, and the beef all together now and separate them into little piles. So how'd y'all like that? That was pretty awesome, ain't it? Let's give this sucker a try now. It's my first bite of this. Something I thought of in my head. Philly cheesesteak smash burger. That's it right there. Got that 80-20 beef, mozzarella, onions, peppers, mushrooms, more mozzarella cheese. This is finally a vision coming true. That is freaking amazing. Look, y'all, share this video with everybody. Share it, like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.